It's 7/23/2013. We're at 840 Alameda de Las Pulgas in Belmont. We're going to do a video from the cleanout that's located on the south side of the house on the utility walkway. Going down in here to the cleanout and heading out toward the street. We certainly hope so. Sort of a tight bend right there. Let's see. Push here. There we go. Cast iron pipe. Looks pretty good at this point. Looks to be no hub pipe because we can see a little bit of a deformed gasket sticking into the line there. That's really no big issue. Continuing out toward the front of the house, Alameda. Still cast iron pipe. Got a few cobwebs in it, not really a problem. Looks to be a string or something, dental floss probably, laying in the pipe. Still cast iron pipe, no roots, no offsets. Appears to be in okay shape. Right there appears to be a clean out. Of course, the camera's upside down. That clean out riser is going up to the surface. I'm going to pause briefly and go do a line locate. We're back from pause. I did go and locate the approximate position of where this cleanout would be, and it's behind the sidewalk, more than likely buried in the landscape out there somewhere. It does appear that we've changed now from cast iron pipe back here after the cleanout. Appears we're going into clay pipe. Have a clay pipe joint right there, and there are some hairline roots coming in. You can see there at the bottom left of the screen. Not enough to obstruct the camera. We'll continue through. Do a turn here. Possibly running into the main at this point. We'll continue a little farther and see where we wind up. This is actually the connection on the main right here. I'm sure this is out in the roadway somewhere. Pretty smooth ride from here to there. This does have some issue. There's a lot of grease buildup on that fitting there, which is typically also where roots are coming in. Same with this joint there, not too bad, no large roots or anything. As we come back a ways, minor offset there, but no roots. This is a joint where we actually do appear to have a problem. Pretty good offset. You can see the profile of the downstream piece of pipe, and a little puddle there means that the upstream piece of pipe is settled, and they don't line up exactly, but that amounts to less than 3/4 of an inch of offset, but you can see there are roots growing in as well. We're going to pause here and go do a locate. Back from locate, we did locate where this joint is, and it is right at the curb line in front of the property. And as we're coming back here, we're coming under the sidewalk. This turn here is where we drop in elevation from the elevated front yard under the sidewalk, and then come back into the cleanout that's located behind the curb. There's another joint there with some roots in it. You can see it pretty good there. And here's our clean out that's somewhere in the planter behind that. Actually, we've seen about everything we need to see on this. I'll run down to the main one more time really quick. This is just beyond the clean out that's located behind the sidewalk up in the planter area somewhere. And then as we go down here, we make a turn, change elevation. Now we're going under the sidewalk. This joint here is just at the curb line, edge of the curb and the roadway. And then at this point, we're going diagonal across the road and heading out to the connection on the main, which is right here, about 3/4 of the way across the road. At this point, we're going to say end of video.